Hi, my name's Gavin Hardman and I'm the Engineering Services Director of Triumph Motorcycles. I came from a hands-on environment. I'd had jobs in garages as well, working on classic cars, restoring classic cars and things like that throughout college. That applied way of learning rather than a sat in a classroom appealed to me much more than a really theoretical course. So that's why I picked Coventry in the end. A lot of the applied, practical way in which things were taught at Coventry really helped me. So it's okay to know the theory, but if you don't know how to apply it or which theory is useful in each situation, then you're going to struggle. And I do think that Coventry prepared me really well for that. And the year in industry prepared me for it as well, helped me to take what I'd learned in the first couple of years and start to apply it. And I would say also the year in industry helped me for my final year. I was a much more organised person in the final year and also much more driven. Working in engineering is a really creative and satisfying career. So, you get to actually see what you've created at the end of the day, and you get to see the smile on people's faces when they ride their motorbike. So, yeah, I just really encourage people to get into a career in engineering. Yeah, I mean, graduating, the sense of achievement as well for me was huge, because I come from a background where you might not have been able to. I was the first generation to get a degree in my family, so to have actually done it was for me very, very personally satisfying as well. The experiences with my friends there, and a lot of them were on my course because we had very common interests. So we got involved in grass track racing while I was there, and I helped my friend prepare and race his car while I was still at university. And in fact, I'm still friends with a lot of those guys now, and they've managed to talk me into another racing series where we still meet up all the time. So there's still the same group of people, really, and there's a lot of them. We all go to the same club. We're also in the same year, so they're still doing our engineering and still working together.